Hi, we're the Austin Code Department, and we're here to talk to you about how you can help improve the safety on your lake by addressing and registering your boat dock. In 2014, a city ordinance was passed to require the proper addressing of your boat dock. By registering your boat dock and posting a visible address on your dock, you will be able to help safety personnel respond to emergency calls located on the lake. Let's get started with learning how to properly address your boat dock. When creating the signage for your boat dock's address, please list your primary street address and make sure the letters and numbers are at least 2 inches tall. The signage should be constructed with materials that resist water damage and deterioration by ultraviolet light. Once the address is constructed, please post the address to the front of your boat dock so that it's clearly visible, contrasts with the background, and is displayed 4 to 6 feet from the water's surface, facing the center line of the lake or the slough. After you have properly addressed your boat dock, you must then register your boat dock by following a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Download and complete the registration form, which can be found on www.austintexas.gov/boatdocks. Step 2. Attach recent photos of your boat dock with its address listed. Step 3. Submit the completed registration form and photos via mail, a walk-in, or via email to acdlicensing@austintexas.gov. For more information, please visit www.austintexas.gov/boatdocks. Remember, together we can help make the community better.